Welcome to Wednesday morning. Max FM 89.7. Max FM 89.7. Max FM. Max FM 89.7.
Alright, I'm saying I'm queer man afi and come out who I catch no. Yen fan to us and fama. And I pay baby our name the beautiful green train pen and I pay it yao. And yet you make it one hour yeah. Madumo Mike no. Bema one the beautiful green train pen and I pay baby I will be a yao. Obama dempa. Oba was sending the WhatsApp on to me reply this one bedroom my baby is bedroom Wi-Fi. Now on the train plan you market work. Why are dear? Bedroom will be a microphone. Bedroom will be a microphone. Men I'm a platform no. I'm saying young queen and a pay and question near my hood would be as soon as to be and come out ya know. And she yamma in the kind. You know.
Money di candia, Kumi baby, I will be a pay.
Say, me on
Bedroom mic no. Bedroom mic no. Platform Nikita me. Mena Mikita platform. Was you know Shasia?
Yan Shasia, baby, I will be answering and pay. The dam was saying, I'm would say, and so I near see and fast like I say.
We shall see about what.
The year in Pong. Oba na nkasa Kumi yire ye kire pa nyame
mama say me market
baby obi a ye kire no watimi awari Kumi pa de
waya de se nyame enshira papa so watimi ya de watimi abepeja
ya free yeso
ote yeso ye
nya sem keto
ene na no pa so Kumi say ye nka nkire mu se wodamase mochia na yire de a wa watimi etie de kai hu se ye phone so ahodro akese nketo ani mu adentemo ya ye ton e wo masbai no o de bi be che obi anopai ti wuche yin a wato adi papa masbai se fasika keto e bi na fa beji phone akese na etimi bo adwuma omo phone so ni nyina so ye kama pa Techno Camon 40 etwagu Infinite Hot 50 eno so e bo adwuma dikadika brane entetete so ma ene ubetimi kura betua eno no credit and pay utue bia na jawaji akona wo yusu na kakran yesi bra na bana beto refrigerator uwia ne asan ede yesa ayi a wo de tare hu Kumi e friend say
stabilizer
TV fridge ni be say ya stabilizer yes bra ne ma ubi na say fonfon ne start ya onso wani mu enwu ase sika ketua bi na wo betimi atua utua 400 Ghana cedi ka ho na ye ma stabilizer 2000 watt na utim hu say yes more than pa must buy a catch ne doso enye phone so nko a home appliances bia ope bia nso ye benya bi de amaw bra Madina Zongo Junction ho ye wo ho oba Tema Community 1 also ye di Kasubo mu wo ho no mo oba Junction Mall na no ade na ekobia no ho ye branya kama pa sanso na ye wo showroom wo West Hills Mall circle de eni do so popa ebi wo La Paz start time building no mu sanso na oba ka so a ye wo bi wo Hot Aqua station so be hu ye showroom wo ho da Koma Junction ene oba ye ne odokon me traffic light no ase eno so obetimi eja aba eni abedika so mo bra na beto phone de say kra de obi nkasem ena me phone ayira me phone asai phone na ye fofo must buy say bra no be ma obi ato no pay free 055 0544 019552 0544 019552 ana srayen e wa de phone tenten fidie ne so www.mustbuy.com na eni yen eni edwa bra na beto wade wo online so enu afi na abesa be eyi bia wo da ya na ye de wade abrewa timato bia nso eni
ene na meto aso dia na meto aso afiri adwaman so ye wo hot pepper bebre chese shito a memekwa ehyehye ye de ye ehito nhyedewo ye wo bebre wo adwaman so nanso de agidin ya wudi a utim se wadi mako na wadi adin yie eye kivo hot pepper ena wonum kire se mako bia etimi frɛ ne ho mako nanso so ye wo mako a udi a emma oyade bia apomudin wom enuane nuro ensusu ewomu a wudi a kire se we no eba wa apomudin ye papa enkoba ne se obi echiri mako enti odi kivo hot pepper ebenya no ensunsanso bone bia ewo no so da bi se de awutie bia obetumi adi kivo hot pepper ani kasemu ewom ne se aduane bia pese wudi ye bia no obetumi adi aye titiri se wo ye hyeto se wo ye eye stew wo ye soup enkwan eni ade choba for restaurant for check for fast food for ye ne ayeton noodles eni ade ewo kwan ho no ye hia kivo hot pepper wonom chese wo saketo bi na atere enkwan mu ama oye papa chese wo bedi abo wonsa no asan adibiem ye wona dantam ye wona ketua ye wona kase se de wo budget etie bia no okọ adwama so a ubenya kivu hot pepper ebi ewo edwamu ahodo no asanso ena supermarket ahodo no anso ebi ewo ho no ma odo akọ a onso wo tomakonu a ede nanso ehyeshi ni bi no ebeyi kivu hot pepper edi amawo yamfan free ha enkopie mu ewo Diagnostic Center ena wonum ekire se mo ya awarefo awo ho ayede ama mo be ma wo prostrate no ekonanim yie papa ya ye enlargement bi sa enso ena kokramyade a efre de cancer yi uyo obi a wachi ene wo kon eta ye oya pa obi kan me joint wo joint eta ye wo ya pa wo sabo ene wo merebo ho atochima a efre ne kidney disease bia bra wonum ebehwew sa enso ena wo obi a wo ta adwonso pa ene wo tika mukura na wo tukwan akwachi a ene de nkofo de wo cho esanse barrier bia wo begina asre driver na wadwonso da bi yade wo da najo wo betimi adwonso mpere ha ansa na ade achi ni nyina wonum ekire se tima bi na ato ewo donso twa no ho bra wonum ebehwe kama yie pa yade nuro ebehwe ewo Diagnostic Center bomodia na bepiem ho no mo wonum esan ye full body treatment a kire se wo nipadua no efiri wutiniwi ekosi wo bowere wo na ase ba bia ye oya bia no wonum ebehwe yie kama pa wo mutuwo Legon Oponglo Junction wonum ene ye Legon Sports Stadium no na edi enhwe ni mu gina mba yi na frɛ na ginkyire mu aburu medie so ewo 0558 294804 0558 Diagnostic Center okwa ye de enuru ebehwe
na wo pe baabi amo akwaje advice wodidie mu aduane die no sese eyade ehuhia pie pa nti wo pe baabi a bechecho so wo fa mpepere de wentia esuru se fam wisaka ho na wo de ye we ye betimi aboa wa baabi ba ko pera no pay make amfo ede ama wo any organic hills ai udru ho no ma wotum say yes enye nuane die nko a ye wo department ahodo ho enti wo pe baabi a ye be ye reflexology physiotherapy na yare bia nso a hye we so be diagnosing so ehu ne ha won so a ene wo ba ye beboa wo yie pa ye no edi sinchen a ebia na otimi mmu adwuma ewo mpam te say no enu aye aniwuo pa ma ne nya niwuo ma wo omode na ba organic hills ne yemfa enuanunuro eni nuane nkeka mbom nsaw yade kama na bibia nso entimi enkoyie emawo wo pese wo ye full body detoxification honam no free utirinwi so bepem onan ase ye nhwehwɛ mu pa na yemfa niema enkeka mawo na efia adokoro wo ne nyini nyina mfiri mu mawo so a eja eno so yebetimi abo obi wo hɔ no a na etipaye bi wo hɔ a ebegya ne so nye ne fiti kwa men kroma mre so na wona busua mu na adidi mu na abewura no so enti chronic headache se wo de wuti no no ani se dwan wo a obi ka esoro ben esi ni so oba yebetimi aboa wo ene ye adwuma bebrebe pomode ana frɛ 0246 599 59078 amisambo no man sun biom 0246 59098 na eja uba na ya show kama ebi nso a na wo de wo se wo de no de acquired say stroke na hawo stroke ya de wo ho se first na stroke chiwa ni ya chechire wo de wa hye dem se yenye ne saa biem uba na ya de nuanu ni ade ka ho a ebe hwehwe wo mogye mu ho ade kode a de stroke na ba se firi wadwen mu se bibi na hawo ni nyina nso yebeti ni nyina edi afiri ho afei infection yade a ma ni mema yie pa wo infection te wo so a wanhwe yi a wo yoba na wonyuma when we hu ana je akwakoye ectopic infection na che wo bra bomu dia na yebetimi ahaw pa wo betimi afre 0249 363 789 na waba Organic Hills Royal Organic Clinic ye boy homra ne se Organic Hills na yetimi asawyade na bibia nso etimi akoyi ama dan suman exhibition bus stop ye ne Chicken Man restaurant no ena edi enhwani mu bema Kumi
yo
bema Kumi
na yankwe anime scratch for winners ya do ma se omo boa yen star 787 hash obedale na odonhwa jimu obe select number 2 we na fi wa select number 1 play game we na fi what you see your scratch card 5 Ghana cedis ekosi 2000 Ghana cedis and we actually know what you see lucky number we na fi watch na wabo momo pin na shima na pa yedo mu nyina se omo boa ye maximum in the year kwa kusi adopa no kron yedo ma se
Wednesday morning.
All right, Tempsian Yanko and Mina Yanfa, Yan Sweet Vibe, Jumadian and Trasso, and Fa and Mauna, and then come up and yedi. And now somewhere that Pronosua, ye bisa and say. Open other than a Ujano, no. Michema, near Ujan, ya, or Befani, I need to say, ah, or X, no. Nia ujana asana waba before baya na se bema ya onini to hosise edi enti na ujano subamben eno da na di ntia no wani nye ho edi na wo ne ho ntia wani nye ho ntia ujano edi na oya enye ofe nti na ujano saa bema na wan wade no ujano ape ena unya bema nyansani a oye ho ade saa oba na wanwade no uja na ena unya oba wakoma pe ena waye no ho ade no ompena na wagya na befa empena foforo no ye bisa se adenti na wugya no ede na wo ne ho ana wani nje ho enti na wugya no yɛbɛsɛ sɛ yɛnka no korɛ na nkɔmmɔ no yɛdi ne sei sɛ na ɛbɛboa yɛn so a afei na yɛtwe mpena yɛn so afei na yɛkɔ awadeɛ sɛ na yɛte saa suban ne na sɛ saa suban no bi ɛwɔ yɛn ho a yɛbɛgyae na yɛasesɛ de afi ho sɛ na yɛawade pa bi yɛn bɛrima pa bi anaasɛ ɔbaa pa bi ɛnhwere yɛn anaasɛ ɛmfi yɛn nsa nti anapa yɛbisa sɛ bɛrima no a wo ne ne gyae no o ex boyfriend ọba na wo ni ni gya asa na waba befa green no bema na wo ni ni gya asa na waba befa kumi no ni wo ni ni gya na anu ya no ede anti na ni ni gya ye ede na hu o mozino hu nti a wanwade na ugya no ede na hu o green hu nti a ugya no munyina mo mfra ye hia munyina madwenkyere DJ Holy ọba na wo ni te na ede anti na ugya no ede mpa na wo ha wunti a ugya no ede nko ano ye wunti a ugya no eno obi abekasa
ono obi abede
obi abekasa
nti uso kasa
usame me kasa
ndi ka kasa
nti na efrem Kumi Kasa
ai nti wudu ya no wabo amane kwankora afa so ane na mu a
ha no
oyere be ya wo
me de na obo me dodo obo me sa beba mani achi na aso ade
anu na dija no unti me bro
master bri mi sai beba no anu aso a me so na me hene su beba na me hene bo manim tebem uze na me ka tiro say ye bo me na me mani ba ko po kokko na me call pharmacy and you be sam say and na me say me ba de ne nsa da bo mani
hey
ebrime
oyere na abrimu
ebrime dodo
ene abridi ya brother
ana Ghana so oyere bo wa mema na ya na se aseye mo den sam beka
enya asam bia ukoka kora na ebeka na be ma oto
be ma kentinka
oto na yi enti ye betwa hu aba ye koba ye be hya se ogri no so esa so no na ne nkomo ne wa one de wo story pa
awe burade
me nkomo wa sesei
una sa de adwuma usi ma che
minu na esi mana
o de abi di me kan na me de nya na meba
ene wapa me ho na anu ada na wo be de ene wapa me ho onni ye de wapa me ho kra
na se ne ye de emfa enye
yi wa wani ti asa wapa me ho besi ni kwaja me na wusa me ho
ne ye de se emfa nka
ena me ka besi ni kwaja me na wusa me ho
enti grino yen komra yen koba grino be hya se na mozino e de ne de asoso ye wi a na ya ma ho kwan na wabam 05515932 and ye best say ya
shot on target. Oh my word, that was a Sputnik through the middle, opportunity for the Fabians. They are backing it.
Asante, Mr. Asante, what you going on? Football is back and the nation is ready. From the streets of Accra to the parks of Kumasi to every corner where passion beats louder than 1,000 drums. Ghana Premier League returns. The rivalries, the passion, the drama, every tackle, every goal, every last-minute moment that reminds us that this is our game. The stars are ready. The teams are ready. The fans are roaring. This season, we rise together. This season, we play for glory. This season, the Ghana Premier League is back. Live on Max TV and Max FM 89.7.
This is our home. Let's cherish our home. Ghana Premier League is back.
Calling on all alumni. Join us every Saturday at 9 a.m. on School Connect, the ultimate platform to reconnect with your alma mater and share your founder's memory.
Let us spread great Okwasi.
Share your story.
We are the only and first college in Ghana.
The only secondary school administration board with a helipad.
It's Tema Secondary School.
Wako school near you know. You have to go to Presec to be shaped.
Revisit your school days and reminisce about your time with friends and teachers. Showcase your school ongoing and upcoming project. Inspire current students and make your school proud. Be part of the connection. Don't miss this opportunity to reunite with old friends and classmates. Network with fellow alumni. Give back to your school community. Tune in
every Saturday at 9 a.m.
Schools Connect, where memories are revisited and new connections are made. Live on Max TV, Max FM 89.7, and online max.com.gh.
Before the fame, money, and the fan base, there was Boss.
Boss on beats.
You the rap.
Hold up, since we talking rap, you make a pull up.
Disconnect and connect, don't forget an intellect. My method to them, okay, can I move family book cats laser?
You the sing.
Representing them way I go on from the motherland.
Or you the rock.
And them one just completed me style. And me tell them, say me have enough a pie. Versatile.
Boss on beats.
Then this is your time. Calling on everybody we have them. You call them underground artists, but I call them the up and coming art.
Boss on beats.
My name is Nanakusi Bediakum, but you can call me Viper Lino. Join me this and every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays, 7 to 10 p.m. on Max 89.7 FM. Let's run the city with no pity as I give you the beats and you deliver the bars.
Boss on beats.
Bars on beats with Viper Lino.
When I dey home and want something quick to chop, everything dey inside, groundnut milk and sugar. I only need some water, so kiss made easy. Kivo carry me, Kivo carry me for your office. Boarding house, Kivo carry everything dey inside, groundnut milk and sugar. I only
Kivo 4-in-1 Gary Mix. Soakings are easy. This advert is FDA approved.
Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install with AC and TV and the insurance cry. Essence Duke every Max Buy Abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and Max Buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. In Shashaka Crown. For more details, call us on 054 401 9552.
89.7 Max FM, what do you do? Kita say?
Kumi Kasa, eye baako pɛ edino, eye baako pɛ menkens ne kwasi ada. Untumi fa do adanso, untumi fa bladanso. Kumi ututuka, ututam, wajibam, watufie, watubum, watutodan. Obaje bam, ubetu kam. Kumi Kasa, that the TM State Governor. Ebe shiu.
Maji tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi pebe dia aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Makuma swabie nie Mesi wadono why den Tino Manso muye na mi jawo mankwe Bia na makofa banche Inti wadasa we Mesi wadono why den Tino Manso muye na mi jawo mankwe Bia na makofa banche Inti madiena My baby I'm loving you Don't worry Be happy Because shirana meshina di wasi wando you Mesi madiena My baby I'm loving you, don't worry, be happy. Because Shana Mashia was one of into Punada Danjawa. Baby, coming in the food, I'm so grateful to your ex. Mr. Rapaba will be a song crying. Into Punada Danjawa. Baby, coming in the food, I'm so grateful to your ex. Mr. Rapaba will be a song crying.
Max FM.
89.7.
papa me nya yankan. Me de makoma ba hodofa. Unya with ya boni kuska. Never boy man estre with the nonfa. Maya wakuma yi your doctor. Me a me huni pe bi isaka. Asu unya daddy a uri nedi asa no do papa no ye nya ne store. Feeling cool, looking fine, you my baby, you my bunny slow. I got that like the way you do, I like this, like I that one and only my baby, I'm loving my type. Feeling cool, looking fine, you my baby, you my bunny slow. I got that like the way you do, I like this, like I that one and only my baby, I'm loving my type. Into Pnada than Angel, baby, coming in the food, yeah. I'm so grateful to your ex, Mr. Wakaba will be a song cry. Into Pnada than Angel. Baby, come in the food, yeah. I'm so grateful to your ex. Mr. Papa will be a sampai. Intimate dinner, my baby. I'm loving you. Don't worry, be happy. Because Shra and Mashina, you was one of you. Mr. Madiana, my baby. I'm loving you. Don't worry, be happy. Because Shra and Mashina, you was one of you. Into Panada than Anjawa. Baby, come in the food, yeah. So grateful to your ex, Mr. Wakama will be a song cry. It's nada than Jawa.
Your friend Okwaku Darlington.
I'm so grateful to your ex, Mr. Wakama.
Abranche Nenum to manager Hopa, Majidi and Success House and a DJ Holy. As when you know Hopa Nasa Yantenenka. Ever say you bet me out to your Safred Dakran and Nitrogen Common. Shut music. I'm saying I'm going by Max FM 89.7. Max morning, the when I was supposed to with you know. I dear back where ya pa ne say Toda or the Musha Shadie Utiminante. I call them say me Cofadie. I had not Toda, ye nim say Yadrina, and Yadumadia, say Yadrina, no, so not drink and Yadumadia. Utimi eko dem se me kwa kwahwehwade udu ha wadwen na besan ka wo se me ba ha se me be fade na so adwen na mu no enkai ni nti a wo ba ha se wo be fade meni papa bi ene ne ye adwuma wa ha timi nantia se me ba ha se me bibi o eden kra na me se me be ye no sanko no etuka no kono kofie odu fia no akai ampa me ba se me ye se no asa tuka no asamba odu adwuma ma ye kumi okra no me ka se me refi no asa tuka ede otimi tuka ekofie be ye 6 times DJ Holy nim no Mozino nim no Green nim no Mamon to mani na munim ne pa unim no and you home film unim no Sadia na ya o eto da mi tu se sadwena no anadwen ya adwuma so dia
let us adwena kasa adwena
mu na jamana adwena adwuma eto da timi nante ko ba bi me kwa kofade udu ho a wa adwena timi kai se me ba ha se me be fade we you na mu adwena timi nkai se me ba ha sa de na me be fa
sometimes pressure come if you are under pressure okay
sana no papa ina oton ayirefie duro ton wo bus ni mu a owie no ja na bag o bus
onu na o yare o safo
ayirefie duro ja na bag o kan ni ene e friend yes ya waja bag o ene o san ye na o ba na o be fa yes ya na nya na o ton ayirefie duro se amede de yade
ni nyina yade
ono ne de ne yade
ya ka ye de ne den
adwendwen pressure kan ho they say system
ma ka mo de ne adwendwen
pressure kan ho
sada no nkomo ya papa ina oton ayi omo mo pododo aduro so aduro we o pebi na no ma wa pododo bia begai abujanfo anopedie Nyankopɔn
street vibe no why
me pia kono mu nso aba why akoso ya me pia kono mu nso aba
me de mo she Nyankopɔn sa no pay
nyame ehu anopai nyame we hu
and e bisa se na ja na wa o ton adura wo so mo pododo enum a omdodo ne bejai na na de na o ankasa o pododo me dia ma no ma enko
o de yenko street vibe no so why wada woro
ebrade
yenko street vibe
odo no ton aduro no
ebrade edi asem nie
o se wanu ma
me ho me korete o de yenko street vibe no so wada woro
akoko a me ho mete
ene sa wo so na wo ye manager
why
manager
why
mko no Facebook no so na mko he manager ana
mesrew ne manager wo ho mesrew
na picture e da ho ana
na no ne manager
picture da ho no
na no ne manager
ade ne bechere
ene wo ba ye onti
ane mo mo mi mu kasa ade na ngasa sa wo hede mo mi mu angasa
mo mu ne manager ofia mesrew embedio bi adwuma
ma wo
sa she
I see.
Near Messi,
near Messi, Ampa.
You ever try the manager?
Una watch it and patch out, Mr. I made a minimum.
Anyway,
we'll be manager.
Mira so bi ni mira me ko ni nyame ni museja what my transfer or pooling grains dia
ya bone galaway
ya imedi da mesel you absia yanko anim na yemfa yen street vibe jumadi no ento aso emfa emawo anopai ye din komo ye bisa se o ex boyfriend o ex girlfriend ukunu a na one ne tia ne nijaye oyire a na one ne tia one nijaye ede enti na ne nijaye ede na wani enje ewo ne hunti e ma one nijaye ye di nkomo yi se na ye nso a afi na ye kwa wade ase afi na ye wura mpana twemu sa suban na e ma ujaye nua no ye so ye nkoda sa suban na di enti anopai yesre oba na de atofam down ball boko emekasa enti a ompana dada bia mesrawo yada se waje atum se oba ne sa enkomo ebe wa pa enti dino ena ye hyase e de afi no so yagayo ibatman kofori yesemu dino
rade yesu gumida da betu kwa ba fi mi o oh, da yentembete to be fi me pa be fi me
matete wama
ayo kumi we dia asem we dia me nkwa me nsempa we dia ya personal pa o
nanka enye nkwa nsempa nka ono hwan nsempa ka be kaze nsempa
anya me no we na kwa personal nti wonka untimi kasa wo kire wadwene oh kumi se me relationship na me wo mu me previous relationship the ma yentam etete ye no ohun se edru baabi na ntiase enhye da nya adwuma wo yentam ntiase no we die nam benkum na we die nam nifa e ba sa na ya na
how can two people work together except they agree
what you say enti no e ba ne sa na ya na nante na akoye ya ntiase na ya ntimi ntina wo yentam no eno anti na eja ye nyina ye tenase a obia efa ne kwanti kumi we de menkwa mensempe no ana maboso e de ama no edru baabi nanti ase enhye de ne ye ntem na chese esese obia epe ne baabi efa tie no ano no
ntu de nanti ase na nya adwuma
yes nanti ase nya adwuma wo ye ntem
ana mantimi ahwanka
on se edru baabi a on se obia ye as obia di ne ho so wati ase enti ni so obia di ne ho so saa na ya nanti ase no obia mpese obe ye we surrender ama ne yonko wati ase aha enti no na I was saying yes
odi ene de enti ase na nya adwuma
yeah
yo abena mazino yentie o
akwantuo ne nyema nkete bia unforeseen circumstances you don't have power over it na you say ujai na papa bi tira kra
no ye dey no tu kwan
as no head ni Ghana hani ade no
now penny a ebere bia no be won che ode be fuafu mama
nyene sa hey
yes ni pede so ye rene nam wati ase arechichire so dia sa ye fa ni onipa ho na ampa wa no pe ya no kopa
arechichire yi na kan
ye fa ni onipa ho
arechichire
akwaboa
ni mu se efro nipa ho nti no any some unforeseen circumstances be
tie ba na sa odi kopie mu wo ebrochire na hawo
no ankasa nso na ha adwen
wontimi nsia no
ana ebrochire asam de
ende akwanto mu nsem de nyene nyina na ye ka kofi kenata besie o se me kwa ba ne nko a wani baba nso na akodi be
sanitene sanitene
e ba sa nso so de a wa wani twi
no na je say wa we fa we spiritually and physically
na say no sa na be mudidi mu a wo ma oba na ye na ye yi o
bi
ayo
anya je egu wi
o de ne de anya ne bone so wa na ofa ho adwentem yo
say ese so try ben wo ba dia na wa gire ntem tetra hono ma ye wasting time baba bi atem
yo me so me de ne de na me di kanka no e bro na no brime
na de ade na ya na obro sa
o se ne de ne ma ya baba ko before asana me be fania brime ono no mpadware
ne on so sa ne ma ba o
ono no mpadware na wo padware
o se me de me mpadware still ana adware de e me di mom de ba se me ye be ma
na ye be ma kankan mienu na moti a na se different yi bi anim how bi anim mu mienu nyina mobo
kankan mienu de ye sa na e be kaka
e be le kaka ene kaka de bi o se na nka o maintain ni sa
ena me se na me nkom anim na me shi
ena o ko ye so no de kono ko eh alomo jata tine de no timbo say
oh no on mom e dey but iris wa no 1 week bia no timi bomba 3
1 week bia 3 wasumu ana se koto ana se wumu ana de ade a
oh eye ni ya lockdown inya lockdown pretty kai na mewu
nje basa eye wasumu ana wumu ana se wosisi utiri ho
asum ne de se ye chime se bia me ne oba bi chat ya ene asumbo
just any be offense bia any punishment
nti se wo kwa bonte ne wa mantamu a
ene asumo da bia me sika asema akoye yi na ene de ne eso me pachi
ne ya hata
na me bet ne me boxer nyina atete
ne ya bo mini mu pa
ya ne ti bo me muru
ene me nua wabre
oh sana no bo me muru amanfo mra
esa wa won't mean shout
aso me frem kro bi anti
nyesa oba kantam on tam gesi endu de yenko yeni why
amanfo mra
Ghana for you ready so much on my dream until amanfo mra why never je wo who is coming why never
Kumi Kasa
and Ghana for mra no menchiro ma
ayo
they no bo number no 0551
0551
hey 0551
0551
0551
asisi anu apa beg
na menga dey
ne yura ho
0551598321 brema na yenim komo 0551598321 na bra be kire wadwene ye bisa se on penada da o ex boyfriend ana se o ex girlfriend edien na oye yentia no wani nje ho a
na kumi wo kan girlfriend na say wo yi aware for na
fi omunyina ka ho omunyina ka ho
ebetimi aye kunu betimi aye yire say so far as anya
adwuma no
I didn't anya yi. I mean you can't do anything about it.
You 05515982 and hello.
Hello.
Ajamachi.
Yeah.
Etisiano pay.
Nyame adom me ho ye na wo so.
Yehu adomudi ni baby afrefi.
Oh, yeah, from PK.
You.
Because I feel a pass.
You. And come wadaru my entio.
Namadana. Meeting in common. Me de. Na. Ensemble. My sister would ye bo. I made the day na me papa. I come. When the neighbor says or teacher say, "O bone one son." When I say, "Hey, let me say there can't start daily." She said, "When you be here, says, oh, one assume or to tell what I know was what it's in it." Let me say no.
Anyunia, job for no. I go see I say any busi any. You can understand your hey.
Oh, okay. Jansu die so de. O se friend say.
La pass hey ya no friend feel.
La pass.
Na e friend wa money di.
Em to say friend no.
PK.
Hey, ene PK wa je hia.
Oni nyame ntra wan, nyame na so.
Eti PK no anti na oni ni jaye.
Emi se wa free.
For before na.
Onti me maburo bi basa.
Oso ni be hia, oba ne se
omo
nasa.
Oso oba ne se nya wunua ne me prepra me.
Hey, fa biti wi de.
Na bibi sa ho.
Bisa, me de bi wu pina de. Holy say bi wo ho. Eja holy de amia bi.
Magina di.
Yeah, holy.
Hello. Eja machi.
Kumi ye line atiko dimension na munyama atiko.
Oh, line ben.
30 25 area mo line nya atiko. Yenti fi mba.
Oh, sir.
You. We will miss that na mi target time na mi frame.
You. Ya ti be di hu dwuma dia ma wadaruma. Bye.
Di kumi na topic ni eden.
Aye bisa se o X ede suban na na da na di ntia wani anje ho ane ni jaye.
Oh, me yes di. Me yes di there's a 3 no do so.
Dabi ye kan ya oni ni jaye sese ya sa na o do ho be wura ne a wo sese yi.
Oh, kumi. Oni de ma me jaye ni se. Me ni wo I wo se me penasem wanti ha ya se be du po bi asema. I say we you akumem. The one campo na we amano. The one campo. No person sister we maybe on here be or na here dey we ana e. No we be sana say na we test no. We dey go do maybe me test get we ma reply. No we got na damn be say I say me the odor tata ni too much. Na ko me tea na me there. Me give my face because they will say nya dey o there. O dey na ko mama me na me there. Me chaff.
You.
I don't the TT or the TT me like the end there. So who test the book? So maybe we reply who test us that I don't want to make me die.
And you're not done in ho.
And I said communication so and said I'm koye.
You done in ho.
Why dear. Hello. Debbie 05515982 and match here.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, udin baby afrefi.
That's Daniel from Ashalibotri.
Ew. Daniel Ntio.
Pastor Mama Chio.
Yena.
So.
Yena.
Maybe a comparison. Yeah. On new to 2. 89.7. Among and since debut on to me dinner on to me
Ew. All right, Danny say Danny say ne dia no comparison. Ye de ne toto amanfo.
Okay, ono so ne dia.
Na me ex otimi
ye we. Na ye mi say. Na me sister down for you kura no ne boy ye ni say.
You know me blame person kind of behavior.
Enye nipa bebre.
Enye nipa
enye nipa nyina.
Enye. Okọ na ye anka wa be fa we.
Enye dia.
Na we anka wonya obeye we.
Ene dia enye kura.
Anyway, Danny.
Watch no watch no.
Hello.
Hello.
Machie. Keep your secret.
What would you know?
You keep an open.
Ya nyina ya ko ye.
You me come out so me dey no dey. Sama na me no me ne wo for. Me yobi a me family am so me dia agro. Fan and pipe bomb. Sorry cop. Say I told you that kind of abo so na me say dia agro. You are not general for my time so bomb fire near the airport. Yeah, you are in a day. Or him near or me now him life. I said, there are some women to the I said, my BB, I said, I suffer. I'm not for the old to me, because of my media, add them. You know, people on your own to me yet. This of my media, own to me yet. You make kind of limited now, so I say, tell you who you see for you. I said, I'm so many, I'm sorry, near my business, my don't. I don't know, I'm going to tell you, Papa. Jinja mai wana mana ba ibre na kan ya mesama sane goma no bubu o jin ku bia asale member ni na no mo kata mitimi so nyamo asale mitimi sala na do se ya mo paye ya o mo simi mitimi so me di kanu ni ya za bre ni samsel
you keep your secret here that say
she ante she phone ni so
keep so dia
ono so ne dia no oba ne timi ni sofo
o de pai ba tata oba
na homachi a wo be ye yi no betine wo na afi na de empai bo be tata yonko sa debi
hello machie
yemo Mr. Kumi
odin ba bia frefi yehu adom ye ho ye pa
me di ensemi figo wale me ka so free malam okukuruku
enkomo ye ntie we
anope mu moni ade pa ma tie mu fiti se mo sha se nyina sister ba ko ne ngwe ndika o ma me sirba sirsa
omumu ha na dani aja ko ya ma yi
oh ale de wa mu si kika mo nse no fani mani ji popo me da ma tie mu sa mani aji yi pa ani sham na ejuma pa na no so problem ni se ai se mu akra brand ka ma sisu a me se me for ba am kofa ba ya bi na Sakumi sabe emano sabe bi ana mam so me ne wanye me ayi bi a me no ntebote ko se mane bibre ni omu ni kura bebe ni omu ni eno so ka wo bi na ama menya do bi afa man
you
that's why ahunidie ho asem oni adaje
ene se wo ogumi wonye obi na open na ne se apra dentist ni wo
na nemrem so seproye so de kwai hwe nemrem seproye hwe
Kumi ni mre
mami hosi
ayi what fe wo se
nemrem seproye
ani tin fe ni bebre esna eya da do hu ho ne nti ekra ne eti afi no
edio na mozi no ka nemre mbabasi aseproye nya babasi ampo nipa da se ni to aseproye
na ne se apro na wani gine ho a wotimi de ne ko dentist
aya most at times no problem aya
oba na se wo se ehonya ye bibi fa wona fa de
ehonum ne de e wo se wonya bibi na se wo se pa de wo se gu wonu ma didi so
ja sasam na ka
kumi misi kumi mozi no
jai etu wa shi obi ne wani gine ho na ne se apra wo
e da kwa de metan of kese pa na fe wo se ma me
da no wo twetwe sen na wo be fa
wa ka se ko twetwe wa de ai
e di asem ni
All right, Yankwa Hamana, so 0551598321. Cities near na.
Ono ape.
Chesiano Peminia.
Oh, Mumpai Bontimi, and I'm also
Who are so Mukunko Hoeni.
Yabutubutua.
Cities Yantio.
Oh, Kumi.
Yeah.
Miss Median say, a mark a crabia, Miss Muya, Miss Medeni Company. The Opibia may Yamano, the Opibia may Yamano, but my friend Bia number busy, my friend in bar number busy. And inti and a man me forget you.
Na number busy no number no ya blocking and I saw your call.
Over friend Bia no echo, over friend Bia no echo, over 8 over enough for Najin for the echo.
On Samsung ni Muntruka, or send a noun for Najin for the call.
Well. Or telecommunication.
And it is said near 100 year muya kakra.
Oh, to say that my uncle Naman, I may say the only gentleman.
And yeah, just a Kumba, I just a Kumibo pass. I was here, would have been
Oh, say, Maybe a number mobi.
I want to pass.
Mate, oh, there's no number no me who you know. Why? Makai was right, why? I may Makai, my bumpire among. Why? You.
Nipa so here the so would the yam
Bible or the Bible better actually. Or the Bible better actually.
Or soon me fee. Hello. Hello. Oko. 0551598321. 0551598321. Brema na pay ni komo. Hello.
Hello, Kumi.
Yeah.
Aima.
Adenta. You.
Media minini ya devi no kompo mi brahma ni na mi uta lady am ombwa me. Me kiti secret na mi ta.
Dia de nkwa na
one no koye ko bo brahma ni a chese watoto.
Mi bra kra na wati ya ha mi na mu.
Nkwa na mo koye.
Bizi mi bra kra akobo na manye na dia se ba be na mu.
Anti wonka
oka chere what was wonka bra na say wo bra
mimi bra
where they boni and Clyde do di dia kwada mo kokum nipa
kumi mpa cho fa mi na mama green no friend offline am tire na di
ese wala
ya te yima yada se e wadenta yada se ya ne wadwenkyira ode aboa ye dwumade yima yada se obi ho okay yen fast that my scratch for win or say yen country or say network be I was so *787# but modi I say ode ho ebagimu na disika ne bi ye de kire ani so ada bia mojebre ne adaje tie Max FM na mosan so ehwe Max TV nti bo modi a *787# na fa ho gimu ebebu opi ye ni nkomo 0551598321 0551598321 hello.
Hello, Kumi Kasa.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Kwame etiseng.
Nyamiado. Na man ye ne man na efuka. Ba you feel like my man ade.
Nwanwa. Nwanwa.
Man Saturday
no money.
What gift no.
Wa mu kodwaso.
Wa mu kodwa wan. Na factory.
Enya hwe wo de ka de ne enko wadawuruma.
Oh, you can make down. Oh, you are not the time, you don't mention Pediani. I know the Diani time, and it's not down.
Hey,
number one.
I drew
Kafra.
I could agree to
Evangelist Kwame. What do you young quay?
You. Kwame,
as I'm not over time.
What can we one walk on?
Honestly, one now one idea and a tata. Dia sempre ni kwa be pasa mama mi efemi so dia semuni
aduan pa
hello hello good morning
na mpacho di mba bia frefi
churches ni wa chama tabeka
menu atese anapai
boko na munzo
yehu adum yehu enkomo yentie o
yo
Me the end there. Women ye brought to say would ye now.
Ya bro musa. Ade na mu ye ne ebo musa.
Found to my baby media. Found to my baby media.
Ma only mo sa anyu ne ma wo.
Na sa se mo no kure.
I don't
Oba ni timi bo wa me eje to hospital.
Me that Kumi.
Hey, and na chesa ahemfo chi ne bi didi bi achi ampa.
Ya bo wa no collapse.
Na
Me the na me punches no emu edu se a wo de no.
Oh, kafra wate.
Bati.
Etimi bo wa ma kwada hospital nyina.
Uminye ize o.
Openi
Friend
churches. Wada woro ma asema mi bebisa wi wo misro ma abunfu. Ade wo ha tete sen e na oba no nso na otesen.
Oh. Me confirm you so watching me o mami.
It doesn't guarantee so obo no.
E bro be.
Na nso di ade nko na ya bro.
Me bro mo sa. E di ade a.
Ena ne wo ya bro ni jaye.
Onyai.
Si esi ji atete ni enya ho ani ho ani. Nti de wo ya bro no jai. Ohu. Asem be ni.
Emu awre mu.
Aye ti misi ba moa na wakoda hospital. O jayare. Boy ye.
Ade na edo ba ha me yire abomi.
Aboabu wa me asi.
Ana mu nyina mu kasom na afi oba ne ho
me ya sure. Me sure unso be me bi wono ma oba ne tim ne tentam. Ba de ne blow ne ano be ye din na chese. Wadi fiti ne yonko. Ai mi so mu mienu nyina aka bom na de ne blow na no be ye din.
Hello, Machie.
Hello, Kumi.
Yeah.
Yo, Nana Kojoni yo.
Nana Kwajo Frefifa.
Odoko.
Yo, Odoko ni odo ntini e freba bi Odoko. Nana Kwajo adopa yenti o.
Kumi, me dia ni die. Oba no fire me sa na mabre.
Aduma no so chen o.
Enye ize Kumi. Ofa ne se moje drone.
Na se we so de anka ne papa ma o.
Dabi Kumi ni dia ni die serious o. Edo timi ko be sis.
Ede maku nsia.
Ai.
Minu e wa bre.
Ai ma bra pa. Menja ni dia anka mi se mu wi.
Timi ya no akoma ho nyina hyehyew.
Ne ka me kiro.
We de wa ya de wa fa ho adwen pa.
Krachi ye no nya ade. O ya ade na nka otimi yi adwuma ni yi anka mienu kra ye okay.
Yes, so what do man so any?
Imani bo wa omo kapa o.
Oh jai, woman ni di me, odidi me aye no ano no. Aya mani ni di me.
Ai minia. Minia wo ho.
Oko uni ako.
Oh, Odoko.
Odoko ya. Odoko.
Anka me shira na secret ba ko na sika me hisi.
Basa oba ne be me by force.
Ahwema na kwa wi ansa.
Otie.
Ene chere no. Holy so. Ei.
Odi me friend no.
Aya friend no.
Me friend na.
Na say so ni na jai.
Okay, so na.
Yeah, so ni na jai.
Na Kumi wura fi se ye kan X ho asama na. Na wo kwa akoma consultation.
So ni na jai.
Next time we should
anyway.
Any consultation ma holy fama no. Say the holy esi enya interest wa yi mu ide. Man fama no. Na holy unso de na ba na say.
Oh, me ni story.
Hey!
DJ fo ankasa ntino.
Na da wuni story.
DJ fo ankasa.
Wa kasa ma tuni tirim. Wa kasa ma tuni tirim.
DJ fo ankasa.
Ya da mase. Won kasa se filo ko bibia ba ya mamu bi.
Yo. Anya na ma mo ba mu nyina ne beda mase. Ye nso afi na ye kompana twe mu afi ne ye kwa wade mu. Megidi ye pasa manfo e kanfo so na e wo mo X4 ho no OTB. O ma na ye se o mo mpa adwade o ma na ye se o mo NCS o mo yi o ma na ye se
ye buru wo
ye biri mo ye besre enkonkoda sa suban na di na ma wa wade ana se umpana e ma bi ho na china yedi nkoma ya the frau X
eyodo enye bro ni ya atemdidie ne chese ade anipa na ho de ntumi nye na wo ma na be ye dabi eyodo
abso ya de street vibe juma de nbesi a wa ba mu adwenchiro nim de ye da se ya do bibia se holy fire 90 mo na fe ni aka kire nyina no ye fanto aso e ma busuafo.
You're welcome to the world of vibrancy. Number one.
Nana Gambia, tell me the truth. Am I not your son? Oh, am I not your son? Oh, can't you see? Sika fatame. Oh, can't you see? Sika fatame. Mi besika, bizonia. Ese me pama, come in bed, yeah, plenty talking. Mi besika, bizonia. Ese me pama, come in bed, yeah, plenty talking. Baby, yeah.
And you waking Paluta part and on my favorite part, yeah. DJ Holy, DJ Holy,
na ya so ya se fon ka se ya su ye fie de siga ken kalute siga na ya so ya se fon ka se ya su ye fie de siga ajo na me ba Bible
mi besika bizonia ese me pama come in bed yeah plenty dog mi besika bizonia ese me pama come in bed yeah plenty dog
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
I wake up each day just to miss you over again.
Max FM
89.7.
I think they go my way. Since you've been gone, I miss you every day. Since you've been gone, into me die won't want you. Since you've been gone, that's so who die. Since you've been gone, swear,
Max FM
89.7.
and I told you never coming no more, but I'm here waiting for your call. Meaning they miss a friend crying on me, I'm screaming. I don't right. Come back from me. Yes. This one makes my blood and Hennessy. Yes. I don't right. You bring out the best from me. Yeah. I don't tremble. Feeling the deep, Kim Paluta.
yeah, me in the brain. Now I jam me way. Other baby, many since you, many say. I remember coming. One man needs to tell me. Tell me who I am, many as you. I'm a man, getting.
Girl, you're already too sexy. What do you do me with your eyes? Make a bad man lose his mind. I say your drama no too plenty. And you know say vibes don't lie. All these girls but you are the life. Yeah. And what do you do me? Nobody to come close. And when you put it on me, I won't go. Cause the days I had your love, I won't know.
Max FM
89.7.
And when you put it on me, I won't go. Cause the days I had your love, I won't know. No, you are. Girl, you are my fire. One that I desire. put that thing on me, make I know,
My girl wanna roll one thing, no they like fighting, rather ride that thing. My girl, she be 5-star teen, I know be the shot only, but she like my thing. I never wanna let you go, but I always wanna watch you leave. Yeah, yeah. Shorty's got a hold on me, nobody fit to jam my thing. Yeah, but you they do me, nobody they come close. And when you put it on me, I want ghost. But you they inside your love, I want no. Yeah, but you they do me, nobody they come close. And when you put it on me, I want ghost. But you they inside your love, I want no, no, no.
You are.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. Take a shot of Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. Promise on my own and me, I no get issues. DJ drop the bang and make I dance with my big shoes. Saturday I wanna take a shot of Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. Saturday I wanna take a shot of Obama. I promise on my own and me, I no get issues. I want to forget my name while I'm on yours. If I rap, make you sing my chorus. I be the guy all these girls they want to. Pablo Escobar, I get the money, I'm okay. I make nice on Tuesday, and I want to resonate. And I ride with you, oh babe, come we could take a shot too. Temperature, if you touching me, girl, you go rise. I'm so nice, so I'm nice. My boy, I know they pay now. Oh my God, yeah. I make nice on Tuesday, and I want to resonate. And I ride with you, oh babe, come we could take a shot too. I promise on my honor, I no get issues. DJ drop the bang and I make I dance with my big shoes. Saturday I wanna take a shot to Obama. I promise on my honor, I no get issues. I don't wanna cheat on you. Everyday temptation, baby, oh, I just wanna kiss on you.
Max FM.
89.7.
I don't wanna cheat on you. Everyday temptation, baby, oh, I just wanna spend on you. Come here, make a spend on you. Oh, no. Don't let me cheat on my woman, no, no. I try, you know, say I try. Don't let me cheat on my woman, no, no. I try, yeah.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Look at that bomb, look at that waist. What a bomb, baby, my taste. What a bomb, baby, my taste. Look at that face. Look at that bomb, look at that waist. What a bomb, baby, my taste. What a bomb, baby, my taste. It's a me. Telling me what I'm gonna do. Everybody want a piece of me. Telling me what I'm gonna do. It's amazing. Telling me what I'm gonna do. Everybody want a piece of me. Telling me what I'm gonna do.
Say they love me scatter. I know you see this back and I will make you never want another woman. Cause I be crossing the border. Give me my love on a platter. What I'm in chair, mera energy. Oh, bless you, what you may have in Jamaica. Piana, miss your media. Magico. Dabena, oh, baby. Don't
give your breakfast in the bed.
Max FM.
89.7.
Oh, sweet, oh, only go. Where you go? I go follow go. I don't chase you a long time ago. Give me a chance,
All right, I'm saying I'm quitting him. I feel now do a video na try mo akwaba Max FM 89.7. Max morning di when I was sugusu awutie ne yesha sia no pa no sia. Ye de kwa kosia no pa no kron. Max morning di eba wa kwa madadu ade kosi ni fiada. Ano pa no sia kosia no pa no kron. Enti bomodi ya se breni abrenya no beka ho ye frame Kumi Kasa the beautiful grino abena mozino DJ Holy arend the choir Mr. Bobby yeah that's it.
Can you sweet like pizza?
I will say good morning Kumi Kasa. I need your number to share my problem with you. Hey, Masa. Me how will go me so no. Me how will go me so no. All right, so dear Mati me from why? Me from me abe me from na di hon komo. Ana pa ma me chia see where the ma PS Pap e wo Suhum T Junction. See where the ma PS Pap e wo Suhum T Junction. Chema na pa ye chia wa na pa ye chia pa PS Pap e wo Suhum T Junction. See you na pa ye chia o. Ye fast da ma Royal Organic Clinic ye do ma sia na pa ye. Osi en kancho say ya de bi e da so kidney liver na ho aba sem say diabetes and stroke. Prostate na ekase na mu yade bomodi afabra be piem ya so ye wo danso man exhibition roundabout bomodi aso be frey 0246590978 yen fa ne bio 0246590978 no ena ye number no Masban so ya do ma se omo boy sika fam se en kancho se bomodi abra be piem ya so na to TV na ye ma free yam phone enka ho eno achi yakofa phones ahodo bi ti se Techno Camon 40 Infinix Hot 50 auto wi ada fe ya ma 150 Ghana cedi said ya ka ho onya no baby ya agi se must buy and afe so auto ye Techno Camon 40 na o de 40 Ghana cedi said ya ka ho na amount smartwatch ba kwa dia ka ho enu echi ye fridge sa hodo ne home appliances papa pare ka fo se obeto e wo must buy ye o phone no so e de be ma na watua ne kakra ye ba ku bi so e friend buy 2 for less promotion bomodi ya be piem ya so e to ne mama ko mienu ne ate so de amount ye wo Madina Zongo Junction ye wo Tema Community 1 ye wo Junction Mall ye wo La Paz ye wo Kaswa ye wo Doko da Kuma Junction ye ne Max FM Max TV and there were Techno Dankasi in Bomodi and Sober Friends 0544 019552 0544 019552 no and your number near Domasiano Pomo Boye ye the Max morning do you media bro Kivo hot peppers ye Domasi ye can for the Amobi be a madam for be a friend who pay Codidi ye ever trouble baby ma Efan the Yamu match I said the BB I will pay Efan and on Efan actually. Any a de two needing whoppy no pay it yell. Whoppy. Ain't you could yet be a name Kuriasia and I am 2 din whoppy. The best say, Ayana Modi Kivo hot pepper. I am a Dianina. And a pay high base entertainment, yet I must say. Ofia Nifia Easter Festival no ebaso. Basso a point yet to Safrad of Fonia Busia for more Remunina, more quantum say Momo de Amomre Fie. As I said, Ufia Nifie Easter Festival no Basso, a chassis 3rd April. Yet they corner ye 7th point yet to Safra Busia for Mufio Rema Makwa quantum Mina, yet the Raskuku about Raskuku or Sipu Sadan the Empire. Say yes, na yes. Ye twem from an ye twem from a ye puisi near puisi. Or room for Munina ye ba. Raskuku baba shape bola ne wo mukrom honina.
We are pussy. And as I am better in pussy. A pussy better and more chance on my more. Boy,
I said my okay, Raskuku, now so tear her. My friend, no.
Ah, and I'm a young pussy.
My friend is here.
And then I come. Nko ya mu hu bi.
Wo ka kuku be ka cho say atafo no fia sa baby.
Munko mu ni mukumo. Mu ni mukumo.
Oni mi oye ntini wa tronyo no based on answers.
Onyere no ho.
Na no show dia. Obebo ye okofo dia na yesi o hotel nti enkofa ne mra. Yebo ni room ni ma na yebebue ye masa. Oye be ma uremu e.
Enwusi epie no. Eye enwusi ketua.
Oye be ma uremu.
Ekwa se mo ma menshi ma ha ba enwusi. Enwusi epie.
Anopa ye nchia ye nuanu ma omu hu frama. Yese omusisi mu e de mate da na maso bia he. You know the SB asa here na
Hey, mo bi we ye wate. Many ya na I doubt. Sa se ma yo mke can I doubt.
O wani mu so mo pa e ampa. I want.
Uhu frama ni bi. Uhu bi ohu.
Anu wani mu so.
Uhu men frama. Wona mo uhu men frama. Uhu men frama.
Ayo. E bi am frama kro.
Adansidi amani dia from ho.
Oh man, I doubt. Uni majuma nye mframa abehu ne bema wo. E bema wo ye. Sa de ne de Kumi I doubt.
Eno kwasem se Kumi. Ade ne dua no pa wutimi hankrofo ya adwen sa.
No anasemwa.
Say yes you munya na so munya it is ye na de ho baji.
Mudu mu hu jim. Na mba ha de obobodam.
Ya tu amofu aso munya.
Kumi rasta beji magana o. Beji magana.
Ayi akoyo yo se ade no bi frɛ ni e.
No so obofo be na ye hye ofia ha yi.
Ai. Ebi mu se that thing dey be. Yes wuti ye oya kra wonu mo be ko. Nti no ye nim na de ban nso pa e besie. Esa ne ma bebre. Ebeyi.
Yo, absia yanko ani mu na fei. Ye fa People's Parliament you made in to us fa ma.
Big man no the ball on me. I watch your face. I seen the hope and it dawned on me. Everything could have been lovely, but I'm just another guy, obsessed with my morals, concerned with my liberty. Options overflow, I'm not gonna lie, there's a change in my energy. Praying I never go down, if I step down toes my apologies. Everything could have been lovely, but I'm just another guy, If I could, you wouldn't tell me to sacrifice it all. But I'm just another guy, If I could, you wouldn't tell me to sacrifice it all. But I'm just another guy, money I want. Give me day one, get your crypto, dollar city safer. Call me, let's talk, and I'll go see you later. Lucky champion, then no fit to bring come. Down with them now, in the final boss. 1,000 bullets to my body on form. Samurai swings, what a situation. But when the money long, you know fit to take come with a particular. Obsessed to my moral, concerned with my liberty. Options overflow, I'm not gonna lie, there's a change in my energy. Praying I never go down, never step on toes, my apology. Everything would have been lovely, just another guy. If I could, you wouldn't tell me to sacrifice it all. But I'm just another guy, If I could, you wouldn't tell me to sacrifice it all. But I'm just another guy, If I could, you wouldn't tell me to sacrifice it all.
Hello, everyone. Your friend Nana Dakwa Jesse, the host of the Max Sports Park, and Max FM 89.7. If you joada, ekosi fiada, ebo non-crew kosi se dumye nube boa. Program no air live on Max FM. Na nika sem ne se die, ya system ebo non du kosi se dumye nube boa. Program no SIN live on Max TV. Eho ene ye bo rank of fireman so. Nya for the major leagues around Europe, Bundesliga, the La Liga, the Premier League, Dutch Eredivisie, any de kikaon. Afeso so, ebo na kutukubon sem dia, enwa any Max TV, Max FM. Unim se Bukom Boxing Arena. De biaya ho Professional Boxing League. Ya de hun sem nyina ebeba Max Sports Park jumedie no so. Afeso so, Ghana Premier League, the Women's Premier League, and the Division 1 League. Yeah, there's the statistics and all the details you want to know about the local football. and afempo agudi nsɛm a ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ yɛ man mu your segment bi to say the predictor emu ehwam paa yɛ the matches bɛba yɛbɛma odds na also so wetime atwa bi adibi sounds so any all the big interviews and penifo kuku dan omo kasa edimu ɛwɔ Ghana ɛne wiase agudi nsɛm omo ɛne omo atwetwe nkomo nti hyia me ma bedwafo efiti joada ekosi fiada ɛwɔ Max FM and Max TV.
Shot on target. Oh, my word. That was the Sputnik. Through the middle. Opportunity for the Fabians. They are back in it.
Asante, Mr. Asante, what you're going to
Football is back and the nation is ready. From the streets of Accra to the parks of Kumasi to every corner where passion beats louder than 1,000 drums. The Ghana Premier League returns. The rivalries, the passion, the drama, every tackle, every goal, every last-minute moment that reminds us that this is our game. The stars are ready. The teams are ready. The fans are roaring. This season, we rise together. This season, we play for glory. This season, the Ghana Premier League is back. Live on Max TV and Max FM 89.7.
Let's cherish our own. Ghana Premier League is back.
Come on, church, let's sing it at the cross.
Follow me, and I'll make you fishers of men. Matthew 4, verse 19. Tune into Max FM and listen to Evangelism Focus, a program brought to you by courtesy of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement. Do you belong to a church and desire to win souls? Or are you into evangelism in any part of the world? Then join us and be a member of this movement. We help to win souls for existing Bible-believing churches. Your host is the radio evangelist, Deacon Danny Glover, a seasoned evangelist from the International Central Gospel Church, Royal Temple, Awoshi, and founder of the Global Evangelism Restoration and Focus Movement, Global ERFM. He has over 30 years of experience in evangelism, so you'll be greatly inspired as you listen to him. Tune in this and every Sunday from 5:30 to 6 a.m. and you will be blessed. For enquiries, call 0244 955 425 or 050-9038-893 or visit our website www.restoreevangelism.org. Evangelism Focus. Let's focus on evangelism.
'Are you frustrated by late deliveries? When you're professional, no one install you AC and TV and the insulated kura. Essence due kesi every Max buy abba. Better TVs, ACs, refrigerators, any washing machines, and one Max buy. Now enjoy free delivery and a professional installation within 24 hours, all within Accra and Tema at the comfort of your home. I send you out here now. Absolutely free delivery and installation. Order online now at maxbuy.com.gh or visit selected Max Buy outlet to start shopping. In Shashaka Accra. For more details, call us on 054-401-9552.
Majiwe di tina me dane di wunji di misi bisa ko ofi wona me fe eleti so bi pebe di aka echika me di ochame kwame utie Max Morning Dew ewo Max FM kosua fili masaya se.
Hello people, my name is Kojokin. I'm listening to the People's Parliament on Mass Morning Dew.
Max FM.
Welcome to Wednesday morning.
Ebusunya Mass 89.7 FM Max Morning Dew no asuguzo a wotie no. Ya buruburu so bia fria no pa no nsia ya ditototo mu a. Say wafan ya dru so no ene the People's Parliament. Had the oba be kan wadwen be kire wadwen omampuntu omanyeye. Ekati across all sectors sika sem creative arts yeduane die mu ya huni die mu bibia ye ka ho asem wa ha. Ene so ye da nyankopon ayi esi ho amaye menu mienu. Enti sawoti yanka wo 89.7 FM Max FM soa. Na yesi nyankopon enhia opa sawodi wa fidi kese no ato ha. Ye mu akwaba ye da wase. Seja odwen ye ho na opese wotie wasomunti no wodi wa fidi no ato ha. Na ne de we de ye tia ye lock ya no pay ya enya asem keto se de da ne da nyina ye no no. Ye bono wo twen sei ni ye koye nimu a ye de People's Parliament dwumadie ne hyehye so ema opa ansa na no wonim sei eba ne se ye nka asem ebema oman puntu akọ nanim a eye Max FM na Max Morning Dew so eye justice to it papa ya enya asem keto a ene ye ba behwe ye Creative Arts Agency any impact a wo wo ewo yi Ghana yen yeso especially eba ne say the Ghana experience bi eba be koso agusu koso a eye nhwiren say ye si Ghana mantimu eno so ye beka eho asem enti wo ye Ghana ni na wo te si ye bossa topic yi so wo mo anije na amfa wo ho a betimi afa obi ho ai amfa wo ho a ebetimi afa obi ho mamini kan fa number ni tudwa troto ho na ne yesi anopa number ne ha ya dwen nyame ya doma mpanifo akeka ne masiani affix line na mayen say kama enti troto ho na ba ne se obeba mu a ana wo question bi a na ja wo de atudwa 0579300025 troto ho no mo wetimi so atro 0551598321 eno so betimi atro to ho na dru se ye pese wo ba mu a na waba ne aba bedi kasobomu ya enye asemketoa. Enunti ebusua nyankopon ayayadom ama chese yensa aka owura osmpato mankani yi na odi acheme edin de ayese ade boni ntin obi awodin edi mankani yi na odi acheme owura Oswald ana
yeah Oswald okay
Oswald okay tay nyame ayadom ne sabe yensa aka no na oyo operations lead at the Creative Art Agency Ghana has some and America no enti eba ne anything creative art so wo pa adwuma wo ho no wankasa wo pa so wuti ne ekoso afasha wo no mahyehyɛ nkakra ya ne nyina nkambom se Ghana manti be ko na wie na bibia timi akoyie ne so no obenya ano emuaye de amawo enti ne da ya lucky papa enti Mira Oswald ye da wasem akwa abade ba ma 89.7 FM Max Morning Dew ye People's Parliament so
it does
na ho ye mponie
nyame adom
enso na gugu wo ba na kwan so te sen
se na woni ma I say wonnam kwan so na opese wo twa epo
sa na kwan so aye
mo nim especially mo nim ayina
se ne wa wani tua yo ye da wase na ene die yabase ebedi enkomo kakra obi wo ho no ma won tea Creative Art Agency o kan ko bebusa say eye de baade
yeah Creative Art Agency no we dem chia omo amuti nyina Creative Art Agency ye na ye say your Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts and Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts ministry no ono your policies into your policy execution into one be executive so in terms of culture now National Commission on Culture na ehwe so say about tourism implementation of policies now your Ghana Tourism Authority and a Ghana Tourism Development Company almost so lakuna bi beda wa be yes say after the creative arts dia no one implement one execute until when sometimes na national commission of culture yibi na Ghana Tourism Authorities and Ghana Tourism Development so yibi until na I say omudun abandun when I say debi say nya creative art agency dia no so it's a creative art agency no and now a creative arts council and you were man by 2020 we are na parliament establishing no to be creative art agency. So that becomes the third arm of the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts. I am mandating say onuzu omushe creative arts development in Ghana.
Specifically, mudi creative art. Monko can tourism asem.
Well,
mudi blende kakra.
Yes, I see a can. Debi am kase say see a can tourism. Tourism asia ni say who will be a wuton. O mine me see me was say ebia say ba na radio nkwa na e Ghana en na ebeton so wo ko bebi na so mo ni hwe na mo wepo eno no beton it tourism is the marketing end of your culture what you have our person man say na mbehwe bi nti tourism in there at every point in time we say creative art ye bibia e what tourism kakra tourism so ye bibia what creative art sana tourism ye bibia what culture so ye bibia what creative art and not tourism because in the first place no culture sena a man for they live their life
their way of life
no and we dear idea shetrim obi antumi hu just arts are manifested it is see atade ye dey fugu just art we hu atade ya pam no fugu ndi anka hu e be hye nipa nitrim say see ye dey ba agro ye dey ya ampe Yes, nipa na ye. Ansa no be hu. Say say ye nwum ye de nwum a ye to ye kan logo ana asa ye sa adowa. Yes, nipa no a perform. Wo ya see festival so sa. It is a culture no is manifested through the art now. That figure so beautiful. Enti na obi be free amanomi aba say oba be hwe. And na tourism no. You see, that's the connection. Culture manifested through arts and then serves as tourism.
And you be able to say, any sano, and then fast one again in Yawaso.
Well, creative arts.
Baby say, and a creative art if I say, they be a one who dry some higher dream. At the end of the boy, my economy no crack on him.
Say, creative arts are. I mean, to move, na me church. It's me church, one won't be some question. And I'll be also to me be some question. Say, creative arts now. Spectrum a model. There were 3 categories. Baku performing arts. Performing arts and I name say theater. Ebi obi diasa, obi drama, obi arrangement, obi storytelling. Nina wo performing arts na say. After performing arts, there were different visual arts. Visual arts no. A model you want fine arts and I applied arts. Fine arts no. And then many times no you dream say pen a visual art say obi painting obi sculpture obi bibi adema like create fe ana trotro say ye ma me tell do trotro no la dey was no sa books so much sa entire book industry ni na fine arts but applied art no ye nya friend vocation the technical ye ti aye barbering atade aye shoe carpentry mason architecture jewelry it's art bia ye use no just say ha ye okura won say ma design ma ye ho nyina
graphic design ni ade
ni nyina she visual art ase ansan ye ba audio visual and audio visual bebre na enim say a film by you say puppetry animation ni now it is a worship even applied art ni pe one ejuma e produce omo mo yeti carpenters, masons, architects, welders, which are nyina what me say they contribute to the economy.
Never say yeah, go focus a creative art for kramu ye de twa ya so na nya no kra wa hu.
Enya no kra. Esan say wo kan kra either say you are part of the art or you are the artist. Ebia ne me kan say you tie so bi na pamata de ama wa ma wa hye. Obi aye wote, obi ama wo shu a wo hye. Until you are the art. Nipa na decorative wa ye o. And now what nipa oye no oye artist. So life no life is a piece of art. You are either the artist or you are the art.
Ida sa wona wo ye na obi ya ma wo.
Ana wo na wo ye art na ya ka ho asem no. So enye wo na wo ye art na chese wo na wo ye art na nipa na ye.
Na eya munya challenges wo mo hu.
Challenges in there, there's no life without challenges. Most importantly, yeah, Papa Mr. Gideon Ayikwe, or no, yeah, acting executive secretary, I'm paying Tunisa said, Buaneba Buami, we share with Juma Yeni, now one of it to Mabua. Now, Pa Oba and 1 year, what boy Juma Papa. As I said, what it tunes and Yen and just what boy Juma, and I'm a church. As I said, Obano, Nyobe Tuani, a dinner from Creative Art Agency. Office bien ni ho, sike bien ni ho, account bien ni ho, staff bien ni ho, social media handles bien ni ho, website bien ni ho, shi ni ho. Nti ono ba no eno ko DH when go ampanyin ma se. O DH sa na se creative art agency nya bebia ye office. Wo ye creative wo betumi aba ho. Whatever you want to do no, wo be share creative art agency. Eno no e ma no so se your bank account. It's so be person ya partnership not so person boa side jumano or to need this kind of bow. To see our website is fully flamed. Baby piano. Social media handles active. There's a way that now there is to some extent an administration setup. And as you see our as you see our team, and I second in about 8. And now on them so born whom the ama as you see your board. As I said, creative art agents no act now establishing no. I see. So when you board that, you are illegitimate.
Okay. Enti yen show. He say when you board, what can you be bring your name or dum on set Timiaka? Now will be to fear us with him no art anymore. Mutimi buani pakrona.
Yes. Now say Obiate say I'm paying see. The government is dedicated 20 million Ghana cedi to creative art fund.
Na nipa na nyam no ma no frese me ye carpenter ni me yetire me pamade me ho kire me enye yie anha me ye awu wo betimi aboa na
entina me de mameland say mampenya na say 20 million Ghana cedi sashe creative art funds. So no see 20 million Ghana cedi they have share film fund. And so for the first time there's a commitment of 40 million cedis.
More 40 Ghana cedi no million.
So see audiovisual film is part of creative art, but see the Ghana yen say Ankra entity National Film Authority. They are 20 million cedis as art fund, and I am 20 million cedis to the creative art fund. Fund no, it's accessible. You have to apply.
Okay.
If you meet the requirements, then you get it in the form of grants. So what I say, some countries could be a soft loan, depending on what you want to use.
Ghana the any day, Ghana the any.
So because a creative art fund is just 1 year. It is the first time you are announcing. It is the board is going to put up operative means. How do you get it? How do you access it? But most importantly, one thing a creative art agency, the Juma say, you need to regulate and standardize the sector. In that, you need to register all creatives. And the creators, by so doing, so they need to be licensed. Licensed because Max FM is licensed by National Communication Authority. Car will drive you, and every car on the road. They are licensed. Or more hotel, hospitality, they are licensed by Ghana Tourism. Almost everything is being licensed. Once it's licensed, it helps the government to know what you are contributing. It's all your budget now. When you say this amount going there, more to say, so once that happens, we are able to collect data. I'm a government who say, oh, okay, say, see creative arts now, or more pamadi, or more yet carpenters, or more yet film, or more yet say, oh, just a don't know soon. It's a see idea, my penny now, or see creative art done akumaso. It's without knowing the data. There's no data to prove, say, this is the number. No, say, okay, to start with, out of nothing, let me give you 20 million cedis as fund. And so see commitment to the agency now. One said there's budget drawn for the ministry for policies. There's budget drawn for creative art agency in terms of operation. Ghana Tourism Authority, National Film Authority, National Commission on Culture, Ghana Tourism Development Committee, and National Theatre of Ghana, Centers for National Culture, there's already commitment going there in terms of budget and execution of the policy.
Now, as I say, I drew creative art agency in the song.
Yes, so this is the first time I creative art ever been the sticker. They say a release. So what I say because I make say boy papa Mr. Gideon about super because I can that all these structures were not there. It's about putting structure for the first time. We are going to have money hit the account of the creative art agency to begin execution.
It is so be sure and say ebia opemo bi sikasem bi a onya botrans ana say.
Yeah, what we have to understand say government does not really even give out money. Government everywhere is an enabling, creates an enabling environment. So government is an enabler. It's a creative art agency. What's the mandate? You need to develop the creative art sector. How do you develop it? By standardizing, by regulating. Two. Now, one thing you also need to do is to help. Nipana or person or creative need capacity building. Governments are just say, okay, let me help you. So I want to be in school. We have master class, we have workshop, we have mentorship program. So let's do that one for you. And then you need to create the enabling environment in terms of investment. So see, the creative art agency knows that there's Ghana Enterprise Agency, there's Maslow, the creative art agency say, we want you to have conversation or have workshop in terms of establishing. Come and do that for the creatives. Film, or concert party. How do we bring out the enterprise in them? Two, grants fund you have to apply through pitch. You have to teach you how to write pitch. Not just that one. Maybe international donors the into the fund. After more than soon, according to the act that established the creative art agency, or see, so be there's a bit of levy and Nipano or patronizing Wardian or Chia, say they are one city. So goes into the creative art fund. Mind you, a man paying creative 20 million cedis. It's only a seed fund to start the fund. The fund is supposed to be big because 20 million is not enough for the sector. And so it is up to the creative art agency to also go and lobby maybe corporate institutions, international donors to add up together with the contribution now. Each creative is getting the patron to put into the levy so that it becomes more like a idea. We apply so that we do not waste it. That's why you need to apply and meet standard. And so once you meet the standard, now this can be amount. So this is the project you're supposed to do in order to develop the sector.
Oka projects in a project Ben say Padam when you soon tia Matissa Ghana art experience being a day. Bibida when you swana.
Yes. And I want to say every month they are dedicated say a best celebrating the heritage of Ghana. Ghana month. The Ghana month, I make us say heritage, Want to mean heritage, This it passes through art.
Just say arts anymore.
Yes, it's a person will be say if you want to experience the Ghana heritage, you have to experience Ghana arts. It's a Ghana arts experience. It's a Ghana arts experience, You are dedicated say the last 2 weeks of the month, that's when we are taking off. Wow. And so we have so many things. We are exploring almost all the disciplines of the arts, from visual arts through performing arts through audiovisual. And all of this is supposed to manifest indigenous Ghanaian arts. It's a different Ghana art experience. So from 19th till the end of the month, we are going to have art exhibition. And the art exhibition is like Ghana through the lens of the artist. And the exhibition is going to denote or amplifying a Ghana story right from before colonial days till now.
Not to say, we exhibition now. Ye free and now ubi abetimi abejoin
Nay na memwe yakra nay na ye free. It's exhibition say we have called out. Say wow person who work be a che Ghana. Ebia wo je wo dey fugu anakente. Ebia wo be about Kwame Nkrumah and now be before white man ni buy no tabodan wo photography be a che senate no. Once a Ghana month no cannot be tralasa. I say yenye bibi say na amanfo na the new generation will get the opportunity to understand what Ghana is and learn. Together with the Ghana Museum and Monuments Board, at the Science and Technology Museum, we are having this art exhibition. Nti artist di omunyoma aba.
Nti ekoma obia wo ye Ghana ni bia.
Good. Once you are an artist no, we
we
just
artist.
we be for 0244 174908.
Eh wo pentem na nka wo ntwen kura. Nka wo ntwen.
Nyama me ka no do so. Enya exhibition ni pe o. Enya exhibition no.
Oh, anya hwe wanya abo no ma no so awre ye fa to dwa.
0244 174908. Mo am pese mu ye exhibition.
Pese wo di wadi a wo no be chire no.
Yes, it be exhibition, it's part of exhibition no.
Okay.
That is it. I feel so in Ghana in concert party. Yes, it's part of the creative art, performing arts. You see, as on the World Theatre Day, I 27th no. You be here be a friend agro arts experience. Concert party subeshim kina free.
Wow.
Or Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park. I feel the bad choco, ye hard choco ya. You be here singing in the streets. Say Ghana film no, you the giant screen be see streets no so. Then community popcorn wo ho, so below. So you just come in, na ye Ghana film no. You are na ye wo to say Christina Wuni mu nyina wo ho. Na ye bo Ghana se no ho. Nkomo. Ye wie so a ye wo what 20th March ye World Storytelling Day. It is ada no creative art agency aye na adwe say ye pese ye ana ye mami na na konedo. Any mami dokono. Esan say ye come storytelling a dey battery by the far side. Said from the 90s on now they held the
What's it by the fireside? Abusiam din di abana kura ntima mozino. Green no atena na green no. Me sure say what follow conversation the way I echo. Ya bobo bedu Ghana experience. Won ne kasa mu no kasa we obi a we artisan. We obi a wo niema bi a so nko danso. Eye say ye mfoni say ye den a ye free nka fabra. Na wonim yen wonim say ye Ghana ye nya kase no ade ne ye free a me pese wo ma ye hu say ye kɔ hɔ na won no nko ye what mase akoso ya free sa na say bi a connection bi wo ba bi
say the urban creative arts mu a mo ye ade yi on say empempi no aya na say the mozino ebibi wo hon myers free but we be wuram be wie no after be say one budget na baby eche na apart from free no enema bi wo hon ma obi ba for exhibition na esese won fa sika nto no ho emeye ana say free a ne say free a
free na me di na mato no one say creative art agency under the leadership of Mr. Gideon Ayikwe.
Okay.
Or see the agency is for the creatives, by the creatives, to the creatives. It's a, and you say, a bimuti baby, and I see a yamam, a nana a yabum. We so, just the first major event project at ADP for the Ghana month. Next year, Ghana be 70 years. It's a way a pilot. We are some making creative art agency. The sun can release and I hear a pilot. It says next year Ghana at 70 no, the whole of Ghana has to be part.
And you know can say cry hankwana ye wait for now and
a pilot see to some extent you see a Ghana see the Accra.
Okay.
That is why it is capital. So we start Bibia. At least you start from here.
Because I was an internet, me say, my home and your clan say, Ebia no be what I would cheer every bolliga, or Bunkurungu yo, or there, ma. Because now what free no.
Now what time Kunin and Kaka.
I feel banana and Nipana Baba yet stranded.
No, aren't we stranded? Instead of coming, percent change you. Okay. So what you say? Say visual arts, no, okay. Say, yeah, Ghana Museum. Ghana Science and Technology Museum, Accra.
Okay.
So what I say, but there are people who are able to travel to me sending the work of crowd be unknown to me, but now the exhibition in Mano. So what I say. So this is the pilot. This is the first time Creative Art Agency is taking this bold step, bringing everybody on board. So the museum is not so big to take the whole of artists in Ghana.
Okay.
And not everyone is able to even have work on the theme. Say Ghana. From before colonial days till now.
Okay.
Obisu one is specialty.
Yeah.
And doesn't mean that this is the end of the exhibition you're going to do. In fact, I think we'll have time to come and run the action plan of the Creative Art Agency with you. So because the Creative Art Agency is supposed to give opportunities. One, the main pillars, we have what we call grow the artist in me, a capacity building. Moving around the country. Training, master class, coaching, mentorship, workshop.
Across the country.
Across the country. Because Mr. Gideon, or see, I am not circumstance, the creative art agency is supposed to have regional offices. Okay. But so we get there, no. What is here? Let's have it northern belt, middle belt, and southern belt. And our paying conform temporarily, holding the fort. And see, whatever is going to be done from after the Ghana month, no, we are going to have that from there in terms of stakeholder engagement, in terms of grow the artist in me, in terms of inspire the creative in me, in terms of opportunities. All of this will be replicated. Now, when we say, you need to pilot it to know the ups and downs, to know that okay, this is good. Maybe your mom will beverages, they do sampling. To get feedback. It will be out as okay. Yeah, this is the strength and weaknesses. Okay, this is even a crap on you. It's a cosia. Do you understand me? Everything needs planning, and so this is the planning stage. And more to say, so much of the things is in Accra, but we have a webinar session. Okay. Webinar session is across the world. Wherever you are, you can join. I need your conversation on how we need to situate our indigenous art. In order to have impact on our heritage. Say we are Ghana, no. Say I want to make us say, oh, me just shooting kwans and I'm here nipa. But me to me share me fugu. Maybe I'm not just the Wednesday. Me to me share me tired here from Monday to Friday. That sense of pride should be there because that is the spirit behind the Black Star Experience. The Black Star Experience is not just chain of events, but in order to revive or reactivate the Ghanaianness in us, so that this place becomes a place everybody wants to come experience us. It is a art, say to me, art in the we should be able to export it. So what I say. So we need to have policies to drive the reactivation and development of our indigenous art. So and but to me say we are artwork, which is very brilliant. To the extent said we have people from Amanoni said they are come to pick all of them from Ghana. As wholesale. Marketing. Say na to me call Dubai, to me call China. Say and then tourism. This is what we have. So people are coming down to come and take and go. Book fine. Book now. Some literary industry is doing very well. Literary tourists will come down, either to come and do their work here. Send and call India, call your books, and also okay, we are coming for your books, and now ship your books to us, and they can art export. And that it also aid art tourism. So these are the things we are focusing our energy to.
Main goal, Nene say, you better Ghana through art.
Through art.
Okay.
Through art, because everywhere you go, if art is not developed, the space becomes underdeveloped.
Okay.
We call America, we call West, we call Britain. The art level, the capacity built is very high. So we need to do that. So that if you are back at yourself, man, because school no on person obey Gina because of Felicia is a cheap course. Or can say, well, I want to do film because according to Musa, yes, shame so into person by art. But we need to prioritize the art because who call Manonia, who is Elba, we be a Arnold Schwarzenegger, they are people of influence, not just influence in terms of fame and now film so, they are wealthy. Do you understand me? And they're able to create enterprises. You see, we need to move away from the time. You can say, we may want TV so now so be one be our car, not to throw through. So once that is one thing so close to the heart of the president. Onoka say, he's going to be biased because he wants to do everything to reactivate the art space.
Okay. And to show. Unse akoye creative art idea eye dan a obi betimi design bibi e wo bi atamale na obi so design ne de e wo Bunu region ubo se beba no won se similarities betimi awom enti we betimi ka se bia we ye madwumani na obi pese oye den offer e ba ne sa na se na mo ye na mo de adwodwo nkrofo na koma na mo ye na piracy. It
is one of the things I want grow the artist in me. It's not just catch us within here, but we need to bring them up to date about the craft of the art.
Okay.
So you don't do it for passion purpose. You need to create enterprise from it. And in creating the enterprise, you have to give respect to privacy, intellectual rights, ownership. It's some of the workshop I hear and say, you need copyright, you need say copy Ghana, any Gamro. Ebenya conversations and workshops for people to be advised on how to go on that tangent. Of course, we have what we call innovation. Innovation, the bedrock of innovation is creativity. Hey, my say why you fine. Start me good. Okay, me so me who I be where there is a spiral. Medium percent square innovation. The creativity is already there. We have to see the line between creativity and innovation. And baby, I want to me and cross it because cross the it's a special workshop that we need to do on that one. So it's part of the capacity building. So the rolling once we are going to launch the project now, and this is not even just meant for just the practitioners. We are even dealing with the schools. More visual arts, more dressmaking, or senior high school, any polytechnic.
Ghana
Ghana Art Experience. Every time there's Ghana month, we want to prove to the whole world, say, without art, you can't see your heritage. So it's something that has come to stay. Say, Ghana month, say, Creative Art Agency, so on behalf of the whole of Ghana, we make sure the art experience will be felt. So that, sometimes, if I see we are doing a Ghana Art Experience, a particular program in Bolga, should be the reason why people will have to migrate, move from here to that part of the country for domestic tourism. It's a way, and not just this one. It's not going to be just at Ghana 70, but it's something that has become very traditional with the Creative Art Agency. Yeah, it's when you have Ghana month, now at Ghana Art Experience.
Okay. Nice. And I know for the whole of March, and I say be 2 weeks, 1 week, be and I say be 1 day.
For now, yes, starts no. Now I'm up for the Yameku Egwakwanso. It's in Pesa you compete. You need to support each. So some of them are doing for the first 2 weeks. It's like, okay, let's take the baton and finish it.
Oh, okay.
But Ghana month, yes, widely. It's in next year, hopefully will be bigger one, the whole of the month, right from the beginning to even a little bit beyond
the
March to April.
Oh, okay.
Obi say oye fashion designer na kwamba no betimi afaso no so ba be showcase ne niema woye na baby udi kan ka say e free monday but space na oba be lunch na yi na ho no so ye free ya na.
Yeah, I know the Creative Art Agency is not doing it as an island. We are dealing with the associations. So they have the modality. And I make us say see so you have to make us okay, you are providing this space, okay, we are also contributing this and go. So what I say. So say Creative Art Agency doesn't have canopies, doesn't have tables.
Let me say you can question and say it's kind of resources no. Momo kofa no obi ba na so person o use kakra bia e ho de mbe charges kakra bi.
No, we are in conversation with the Ghana National Association of Tailors and Dressmakers.
Okay.
So they are giving a roadmap. And see, once you have to listen to them what they are comfortable with.
Okay.
But there are some things which would have been very difficult for them to get. Maybe if you want to block a street, it would have been difficult. If you want to use the museum, it would have been difficult. If you want to use the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, yes, some big the giant hurdles now we get them collapsed for the execution of the project.
Ebia na wo fie Creative Art Agency what one sem ene nyankopon ya dom yen saka wura Oswald ndi ni di won di Safinat Pania edi ni mo hu pa enya sam ketoa o cheche mu kakra ni nyina ne se na be ya wo adwuma na wo ye ne be kɔ nanim utiri a wo ye wade pam a wo pam wo carpentry a wo ye wo masonry na wo ye no art nyema bebre a wo ye ni nyina betimi akɔ nanim ti enom de sa agency yi aba se na be betimi abeboa wo enti 0551598321 we de wunye na mini ono si ha sei question wo hwa na wo de abomba de na mame afen so 0579300025 and also fra obepe eja yebepeke na yene wo edi kasubom anope ye di creative art agency ho enkomo ema Ghana experience nyina nso abamu ne nyina ne se oman puntuo oman yeye yeduru Ghana month enti wo se nyame yaduma hwie be posumeni mu chemienu se kinkon na fe ya ha asia enye asempetwa enti owura Oswald ye ntoa so na ye toa so a na se ye mra fom na mo kan akosi se ye nananom akuyafo won mo kopo ene ade no mayi wonum nyina so afrimu ana
the Ghana art experience no once I told you say the art manifests culture and the normal circumstance everything ye wa nyina for communication ni na ka art but once want to be funny na babako you need to have specialization. If you look at creative arts in the crowd, it's a national form authority. As a national folklore board, a woman. You need a creative directly, but your mom to me authority so that there can be more investment into the space. It's but my main line.
The more now Kasa na adene.
Say your Minister of Agriculture, Moshe Sanyamano. But one beautiful thing about the Ghana art experience is that we have the agro art experience. So where agriculture meets the arts is going to be at the trade fair, Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park on the 27th. You have exhibition for we are going to have concept party crabeshim. It's the all part. It's on the 27th of March, which is almost close to the end of the experience now. At the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, we have what we call the agro arts experience. Ghana acquire in terms of farming, fishing. We're going to have exhibition to a Greek fair. And there were a lot of games just with the stakeholders within the Greek because whatever they do, if you go to the farm, tool I will use a piece of art. The style you don't know art. Also I can't to know so we had folk music art no. So we have the agro art experience which will be on the 27th at the Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park.
So you can hear you
David.
Because any idea of the Ubi na artisan or the
artisan, and applied art.
And son also be a will queer ye, and yasam ketwa crab. Na yenya ehuni say we and just a Ghana art agency no creative art agency no. Aba se bia ebeboa Ghana fo nyina ye nyina yate ase. Ya hwe sika sem se bia bi wo ba na wa ba be register. Me papa se eye free o na emu afansa na omo ye in consultation with other agency. Ntinye bibia no betimi aka se woman betimi ablock road amount. Se bia ye ba be ye exhibition bi wa ha. Woman betimi akwaje ye abe when ye nyi ha no muka anya kama nkwaje license nye na bibia na ntimi nye yi. Nemo se bia wo ba ne na wo kan ne temele asem no wo free temele wo ba no se afi we die ne de se omo ye piloting nti no omo hwe se etimi koyie wa kra ha se ya
be koyie nso ye de be ko mempe etimi koyie no matter what happens no Ghana will be 70 years I will do it. It's a nationwide one say be ko bia de akọ be koyie
na ye firi ho a ye de akonkron
for the month Ghana month
for the Ghana month no
na we know say Mozino was say mind you omo ne Ghana dressmakers
ye ni associations na ye adwuma te say visual art we exhibition no ye ni Ghana Association of Visual Artists na ye
okay
it Ghana dress exhibition no in terms of Italian no we no ye ni Ghana National Association of Tailors and Dressmakers and Cuddly Fashion mama na otaye mentor judge no or big industry garment industry ye be fashion meets culture. It's a conversation about it.
Wow.
After so your Ghana modeling union almost a mayor work show nti o mayor fashion na ye kan wasem Ghana full book. Yes. So there's a connection between the dressmakers, the a model was a
yeah
boom concept party union for anyone and your concept party individuals you need union we are encouraging people to join the associations because say bar yet mean individually so what through associations of course people would want to register privately in terms of musicians but it helps when you are with the association because a bar say they say Ghana music for you now president are now buying see or mamu 10 cedis so with the moon so with the top pure water moon number numbi now 10 cedis say see a yama one Ghana
problem
so what I say so we encourage the association. It's good to be part of the association. We do problem too. They bring it, then together we're able to get it resolved. So starting around this time, we are not so much resourceful, but yet we want to give it. We want to make sure it happens. It is good just to deal with associations because they understand what more they want than us.
Not just obini association more. So open my na wo area. Na we need association more. Na just
Ufreya, like I gave them out. Ufreya, of course you can be part. So say association there and by force compulsory
freedom of
association. But we only encourage. But that doesn't mean so what's here now have some work I may know. Ufreya, but what we want you to understand say for now the modality it is about 90% in consultation with associations. Because long before now, associations they have yearned to do things like that. No more to me yet. So this is an opportunity for us to say, let our powers combine. We are Captain Planet.
Nice one. Anyway, and say by near my bay guama individuals and who be here. Say, we join associations. I would want repair their woe. Na etimi akoyie
and what na person me fan kan say once a war problem wo kwa na wo kan say kwa chire yedi unless you be a media platform and now amplify mouth but when association says it has weight association to me can say hey this year there mo pama den na association na ya pama there
and be possible sir
and it is possibly impossible so what no me the two asemo aka the wo kwa was mean pama there and then pama the impact compared to the association is quite negligible so what I say so we encourage people join association and register just register with the creative artists through the registration can be done privately but we're going to roll it up more with the association because they have the numbers. They say Ghana National Association of Tailors and Dressmakers, Greater Accra, they have about 4,000 registered.
Now, no, class for you for your mobile say into almost some tailor for you.
It is a 4,000 crap or more register or Accra. It's the whole Ghana way. Wow. It is a Ministry of Finance. They can say, just dressmakers, we have about 1 million who are registered. Aside dressmakers, aside shoemakers, we make a lot of points. Say, baby, I say, so we have about 30 million people in Ghana. About 50 million are in the sector. It's a whole year budget now. For to say, we say, what's what creative art agency? And also the policy near execution be to a bed. Wow.
Young show, say, young fan say experience name a baby. You say a bit a bear annually. Your man, yes, I be we are 70 years, we near Jack on. Now, so being so I dream Poby, and also a different to say that Ghana experience, me boy.
Ghana art
experience. Obi so banner say, any nanny what Ghana, Miss me person me DNA, Mubama no crime on so I yana.
Oh, everyone has that independence. And I be musu ye be that. And I say, and I make a make Ghana Culture Forum, and we are Ghana Culture Week. And the crowd man pay you could be. So what you say? Yea, the ambassador, we are come to strangle art. No?
Yes, and what be
we are Shemukina. It's we are Secretary came Center for National Culture say, so or any program as part of the Ghana Month. You need a boom. They say came Bureau of Ghana Languages. Because they are into promoting the Ghanaian language now. Because a part in this storytelling say, lady and I say Ghana Poetry Day ebe ni kura Ghana Commission for UNESCO e am aside say they promote poetry yeni omo abom Ghana Library Authority so they promote the literary aspect of the space yeni omo abom na ye so what you say iti enye say bia wo be ye wa dey see dey be most important ye dey nkura we will do our best to even promote it for you so far as it meets the standard which must be met. So what you say?
Just a more standard be a more stress say answer na obey say ni was so unya ade ba komienu mi ensa we answer na watimi aye.
Yes. Esa won ye say so ye was someone no cry to read bo.
Oh, okay.
Man ye because ye per se Ghana nye one of the art hubs at least in Africa.
Ah ye bodin a.
Even in the first 4 years ye me ye nim kwa na ye timi ye in West Africa poor. Say obi person who typical African art. A song so let me first go to Ghana. They say in terms of tourism experience that we want to come to Ghana because of the forts. But we can do more because we have a lot more. They say ebia ya papa da luma wu ye no. Forget about other things that they want to talk about. Yeah. So those things no that any dia obia one issue.
Oh yeah.
That sometimes me deal with your power when we get it on discussed. Say prime time a year can was so then quite to me the can say ebetumi dia then ebetumi aye enya mfaso wo that lumba boga ha life because that can be tourism drive
sure
because we you know creative advantages na year individual independence it was under 1 week she dom e ba so what you say our dom Ghana our dom enu kwapo ya Accra it say every year say see UNESCO see high life ye Ghana dia so it is that lumba boga high life e bia wonu krom yet me nyam microphone free amanoni and say we want to see what the burger high life is here ye nya hu faso say the high life no koso a e bia obi ko ton ade wo onya faso ye t-shirt ye nya faso so me I look at the art tourism aspect of it ye mami amate do free mu say we call England ye wo bibia friend Shakespeare Festival man for call ye tumi ye bi e bia bibia ye wo no ni Cape Coast ye wa no ye papa Kofi Awu no ne okowu wo Kenya yi amafo Guinness ye Comforter region better as a Kofi Awu no festival of poetry it's done people will move and that is what the creative arts so much interested in we want to see the light in the night
nice one
enya other side no tise luba de enya other
side kwa media minti poda ni aminim say o ye legend
na wa
film or contribute a lot to not just the Ghanaian art and music industry. He was an ambassador of the Ghanaian language. He's able to speak impeccable language, English language. That's why you not just say minimum number 99% should be in account. German for pay, about 4 pay. It's almost sound almost kasa. He was a vehicle to promote the Ghanaian language. So there's a lot to explore. Me hu ko fo bebe amuka e na nipa no onwo area se kura sem se ni so onka bi
na wo bewu
so what do we start to gain from Tatilumba iti nyawo ke won kan no we dada wo wo ti ase no how do you benefit iti about as creative art agents no that is what we will explore almost so amodin say when they have the social commentary and no be the daniel to on table so we allow them to do it.
We allow them.
Some culture say creative art agency there. We will never impede anybody. But we will support the one that meets the standard. The good part of it is interesting.
Promoting the good part of it.
Yeah, your time no so kwa na ekwo ya nya asem keto akwa.
Answer ka so the number be ebetudwa.
I can be say me through nya pese yen gidi na me number na. See the start me what they call the inspire the creative in me tour. Young kwala no Mr. Gideon Aikwe on his selected students be tour some of our art sites, art center. Now you bet church of art center say na this how it came into be. You we are near National Theatre. Say production, this how production goes through. You know more than the Global Gallery. Now chom say the gallery know how it works. You we are no National Science and Museum no. Now church say the art at least for them to have a feel. You nya kwa crap are able to move into 1 or 2 TV stations to inspire the creative in them. You raise you can say Ghana through the lens of the artist. And I make say from before colonial days till now. artworks in terms of sculpture, carpentry, fashion. You have a exhibition of the Ghanaian story. So now, we have what we call the Ghana Literary Experience, together with the Ghana Library Authority. We have Library Week. In terms of poetry, and most importantly, is through the mind of the playwright, because 27th is World Theatre Day. But what is the role of the playwright? And church on the play, you are going to do dramatic reading of a play by Professor Ladewosono. School of Performing Arts, Ghana Library Authority head office conference on, and also you're free. You're pimping. I'm a product of by the far side. Anybody back by the far side. It's a yes, I'm pimping now, and I am a friend Dr. Sarah Dogbaji. Or yes, storyteller we need beji. It's in a way to reactivate our storytelling session. Sometimes Nana Kunedu, because I'm not a producer for by the far or executive producer for by the far side. And I'm no young chain my name answer. It's 1-on-1. You were Senameka was singing in the streets and a bell chocolate. The giant scribes were near Ghanaian movies. Now you're afraid my meeting secretaries and I wouldn't moon count now or young commode in Comobo and Uncomodie. Senator because the way Ghana from by a somono. I say young sum bium, name beauty industry. It's a real say Nyaka said the Ghana Agro Art Experience. Or Kwame Nkrumah, I from in Abeba, a also your concept party from Super Diagro or my. When in I can free. If you want to, and maybe if you will be like as a fashion meets culture. And I'm because Ghana National Association of Yani Madam Auntie Linda, a better conversation, any workshop together with the Ghana Model Union. I won't know. And to say, I hope I say won't join here. Number I want is 0244 17 49 08 0244 17 49 08. Wait, I say yeah, sorry.
I was here. Who bought 10 and no so bored. Yo, any Rebecca Silver Oswald or kind tay and yes, sir. I can never win them a trying to correct yɛda wase papa ɔno ɔyɛ operations lead creative art agency ɛna ne sɛ ne waba bɛsra ne de wabɛkyerɛ nsɛm mu paa yɛwɔ Ghana month mu nso enti wabobɔ no atika nsɛm papa yɛda na sɛ waba bɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛde ama yɛnyame nhyira no sɛ de bia nso yɛbɛbɛ ɔmo hɔ aba bɛgye adwenkyerɛ aseda kɛseɛ paa ɛkɔ a na ɛkɔ ama Royal Organic Clinic wɔsi Organic Hills brana bɛgye wa yare sawa ni efi yɛnkyerɛ okwan a wobɛtumi edi kitchen nneɛma sɛ dɛ yɛ doctor kan kitchen nneɛma keka bɔ mu a atimi edi asa wo ho yadeɛ ama wo so ho atimi atɔwa enye asanketo aseda kɛseɛ biem ɛkɔ ɛde ama Kivo hot pepper wɔsi makuhyew mako no ɛhye enso na ɛde paa ɛnhyede aduan bi a woyɛ bia nso betumi ɛde ayɛ aboa wo ama wo ho atimi atɔw afen so must buy the American major deni se say phones a wa Ghana ha nyina se wan kwotɔ no must buy na wotɔ wo kwan ho dia ene wan kasa wo jejireje enye no nko a yo home appliances bebrebe wo pe TV papa fridge papa stabilizer papa ni nyina nso betimi enye bi e wo must buy yakache ne dɔɔso ene ya na wabɔ awura ye showrooms no na jawoni en ababedi kasupomu Diamond Diagnosis Center ai bra na yemfa machines nwurawura body ni mu a hwehwɛ de ekoso ho no mo na nyame aye wadom na wotimi bepie mu e wo yakache ho no mo a yetimi ahwɛ wo yie amu apomuden akoyie se ba ne so waposo ye wo ya pa dia ana se wo joint waposo ho no wo se wotimi